Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear is who is grown. Her name is written in stars in the sky. Don't you know that you're a shooting star? You're the first true love I've ever known. Grown, I love you, I do. And I'm not just saying that. If you love me, show me grown. You're not like other girls. When I first saw you, I was afraid to meet you. Be so opened up, and there you are. I couldn't look you in the eye. You look good for which I'm now. People say I'm cold without you, I'm hotter than the sun. On January 2nd, they celebrate my birthday with friends and family. It's not about me, it's about us. We look out for each other. No one else will do. You're the best friend I never had. Everything I say you'll do with your best interest in mind. You're the reason for my being. Keeping you alive is keeping me alive. There's no me without you.